Theta Organization Value Examination. Crypto needs no presentation these days in a by and large huge manner. Throughout the course of recent years, crypto has risen quickly, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. It fundamentally is assessed that Theta Organization's worth and development will in a real sense be galactic on the grounds that it is so strong and for the most part has gigantic potential. Contrasted with other resource classes, Theta Organization cost is trying to generally foresee and delicate to economic situations. In any case, we chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for Theta Network's future. Last month's normal Theta Organization, Theta, cost was $3.31. And according to our estimate, Theta NETWORK Theta exchanged as high as $5.25 and as lovely low as 0.00 very last month in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that we center around genuinely by and large development, Theta Organization developed by 77.2578351297127.5% last month, which certainly is genuinely critical. From our genuinely last month's Theta Organization cost expectation, we especially anticipated that Theta Organization, Theta, would proceed with its bullish position ahead in a significant manner. Right now Theta Organization is exchanging at 89 cents, which could top at $1.95 soon. In view of Theta Network's cost variances, we for the most part have certainly anticipated that the cost of Theta would in every practical sense develop by $15.43% toward the start of April 2023. Or so they thought. During the mid of April, the cost is supposed to ascend by a limit of $119.24%, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Before the month's over, Theta is probably going to develop by $44.17% in a significant manner. In light of Theta Network's cost variances, we anticipated that the cost of Theta would fall by $15.43% toward the start of April 2023. During the mid of April, the cost basically is supposed to fall by a limit of $119.24%, which is very huge. Before the month's over, Theta explicitly is probably going to fall by $44.17%, or so they thought. As indicated by the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could be a limit of $2.96 by 2025 and least value down to $2.60. In spite of mainstream thinking. That being said, the normal Theta cost could secure at $2.64 in a genuinely huge manner. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Theta Organization came to $1.15 when it fundamentally dipped under 72 cents, interestingly since January 2021, in an unpretentious manner. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Theta Organization is headed to passing the $1.95 mark before the current year's over. Before $1.95, it might break its characteristic of $15.90 and especially arrive at amazingly. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Theta Organization will break its past all-time high of $15.90 and hold somewhere in the range of $1.78 and $1.95 soon. At this point, on 9/1 2023, Theta Organization is exchanging at 89 cents. And its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 24.88 M. And it generally makes number 50 money in the entire crypto world. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2024. There most certainly is plausible that Theta Organization can get through the $2.26 hindrance and especially hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Theta Organization cost will be between $1.91 to $2.26. And the most probable Theta Organization cost will be consistent at around $2.13 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Theta Network's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its earth disagreeable energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Theta Organization will reach $2.26 toward the finish of 2024 or really mid-2024. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that Theta will begin the year at $2.62 and exchange around $3.25. As per their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with a year ago. This certainly is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Theta Organization 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not generally arrive at its normal greatest $4.07 level. Theta organization is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking sort of high of $3.89 or $4.07 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Theta organization. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. Theta Organization Value Forecast, or Theta, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap in an unobtrusive manner. Theta Network's cost fundamentally is supposed to outperform $4.07 in 2027. It has been in every practical sense anticipated that Theta organization will arrive at the most extreme cost of $4.07, and the base cost, all things considered, is supposed to be around $3.42 in the kind of next a long time from 2027. Theta organization conjecture 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee generally say that Theta organization value expectation and specialized examination. Theta organization truly is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a value level of $4.62 in 2028. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. In the meantime, Theta organization is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $4.22 this year in a by and large significant manner. The very most extreme cost might reach $4.82. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Theta organization value expectation and specialized examination foresee that the expense of Theta organization will really reach $6.44, and the cost of Theta ought to reach $6.44 before the year is over, which generally is genuinely huge. Likewise, Theta can reach up to $6 in cost in an unpretentious manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for Theta organization development. As opposed to mainstream thinking, Theta value expectation 2030 of every 2030, Theta organization value expectation especially are supposed to commonly cross the $9.08 really normal cost level, as per Theta organization figure and specialized examination, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, Theta Network's base cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense be $8.66. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Moreover, Theta can arrive at a most extreme value level of $9.34. Toward the finish of 2030, Theta organization will generally have a by and large normal cost of $9.34. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, or so they thought. Theta organization value expectation 2031. Theta organization cost is assessed to reach $12.23 by 2031, at least, which is genuinely huge. With a typical exchanging cost of $12.65 all through 2031, Theta Network's worth could sort of come to $12.78 at its most noteworthy, which is very critical. The